Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I'm going to show you how to list any product on your eBay account. As you see guys, I will show you step by step how to list the product on your eBay account without using any other website, for example AliExpress, Walmart or Amazon or any other website. As you see guys, just follow the steps and you will be ready and you will be able to list any product on your eBay account only using the eBay website. For example, I will show you an example of first open your eBay account, then I will show you an example. This is an example of the product on eBay account. As you see guys, if you like this product and you want to list it on your eBay account, just follow this step. Just scroll down and the middle of your screen this is sell now, then only you need to tap sell now. For example, automatically will take you to list the same product. Only you need to upload the picture, for example the picture that you need. As you see guys, I have uploaded the picture. Then you need to scroll down to the title. If you want to add or edit the title, or I prefer to list or leave the title as they are. Then guys, you need to scroll down. If you want to add the brand, I prefer always don't add the brand, only make it unbranded, because the brand product is more risk on your eBay account. Then guys, you need to scroll down. If your product has the category, then you need to go and edit the category. Then guys, you need to scroll down. As you see guys, unbranded. As you see guys, the product, it's easy to list. You have already add the specification of your product and the description. Then scroll down. As you see guys, the variation section. If the product has more variation, more than two variation, go and edit and tap edit the variation. Then you need to add your variation. For example, I always using the color. Click on add and click add your own attribute. Then tap color. Then create your own. For example, the product has two categories, category 1, example, just an example, and the category 2. Then guys, tap on continue. Then guys, as you see guys, if you want to specify the category, just scroll down and tap on use default photo and tap on and select color. It will take you directly to the color. Then the first color, just add the first color and scroll to the second color. Then guys, scroll to the bottom and you need to add each color as a price. Then when you finish the variation and the price, adding the price for each color, then scroll down and tap on save and close. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then guys, the last step that you need to add your description. You need to scroll to the top and select the item condition, always using the new product is a new. Then guys, scroll down and you need to add your description. You can import it from eBay product, or you can use your own description. As you see guys, it's very easy. Then scroll down on the bottom and tap on listed. As you see guys, the product was listed successfully without any issue. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.